Thousands of studies, and all of them reported increases in temperature at Earth's surface, atmosphere, and ocean. The climate is changing, the high temperature is in extreme gravity, precipitation events are increasing. Do we do anything about it? I bet not.
The environment has been affected by the global climate change. Glaciers have shrunk, ice on rivers and lakes is breaking up earlier. Plants and animals' range have shifted and trees are flowering sooner. Scientists predicted several global climate change repercussions and they are now occurring loss of sea ice. Accelerated sea level rise any longer, more intense heat waves.
Over this century and beyond, global climate change is projected to continue. The amount of heat trapping gases emitted and how sensitive the Earth is to them affects the magnitude of climate change.
Because human-induced warming is superimposed on a natural varying climate, the temperature rise has not been and will not be uniform or smooth across the country or over time.
In a future in which heat-trapping gas emissions continue to grow, increases of a month or more in the length of the frost-free and growing season are projected across most of the US, and by the end of the century, with slightly smaller increases in the northern Great Plains.
Droughts in the southwest and heat waves, or periods of abnormally hot weather lasting days to weeks, are everywhere are projected to become more intense and cold waves less intense everywhere.
Sea level rise will continue past 2100 because the oceans take a very long time to respond to warmer conditions at the Earth's surface. Ocean waters will therefore continue to warm and sea level will continue to rise for many centuries at rates equal to or higher than those of the current century.
Average U.S. precipitation has increased since 1900, but some areas have had increases greater than the national average, and some areas have had decreases. More winter and spring precipitation is projected for the northern United States and less for the southwest over this century.
There are solutions that we can contribute to avoiding these future disasters.
Much of our electricity heat is powered by coal, oil, and gas. Use less energy by lowering your heating and cooling, switching to LED lights, bulbs, and energy. Efficient electric appliances, washing your laundry with cold water things, dry instead of being a dryer.
The world's roads are clogged with vehicles, most of them burning diesel or petrol. Walking or riding a bike instead of driving will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help your health and fitness. For longer distances, consider taking a train or bus and carpool whenever possible.
Eating more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, and less meat and dairy can significantly lower your environmental impact. Producing plant-based foods generally results in fewer greenhouse gas emission and requires less energy, land, and water.
When you throw food away, you're also wasting the resources and energy that were used to grow, produce, package, and transit. And when the food rots in the landfill, it produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. So use what you buy and compost any leftovers.
Electronics, clothes, and other items we buy cause carbon emission at each point in production, from the extraction of raw materials to manufacturing and transporting goods to market. To protect our climate, buy fewer things, shop secondhand, repair what you can, and recycle.
Ask your utility company if your home energy comes from oil, coal, or gas. If possible, see if you can switch to renewable sources such as wind or solar, or install solar panels on your roof to generate energy for your home.
If you plan to buy a car, consider going electric with more and cheaper models coming on the market, even if they still run on electricity produced from fossil fuels. Electric cars help reduce air pollution and cause significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions than petrol or diesel-powered vehicles.
Join us, One Earth, in this big movement as we declare victory against the chaos brought by climate change. One movement, one yell, one Earth.